Good morning all of you. I hope all of you are fit and fine. In this video we will continue our chapter Computer Networks of class 12th. Today we will learn about the network devices. So there are various network devices available such as modem, RJ45 connector, Ethernet card, switch, gateway, router and Wi-Fi card. Let's understand all these network devices one by one. Number 1, modem. Modem stands for modulator, demodulator. A modem is an electronic device that enables a computer to transmit data over telephone lines. It is a device used to convert digital signals into analog signals and vice versa. There are basically two types of modems, namely internal modem and external modem. The next network device is RJ45 connector. RJ45 is a short term for registered Jack 45. The RJ45 connectors are the plug-in devices used in networking and telecommunication applications. It is an 8-wire connector used to connect computers on LANs, especially Ethernets. Next network device is Ethernet card. Ethernet card is also known as a network card, network adapter or NIC, that is network interface card. It is a hardware device that helps in the connection of nodes within a network. On Ethernet card, a physical address of each communicating computer is mentioned. Physical address is known as MAC address. Next network device is switch. A switch is a network device which is used to interconnect computers or devices on a network. It filters and forwards data packets across a network. It is also a multi-port device but with some intelligence, and so the data packets received from one port of network are refreshed and delivered to the other port of the network. Next device is gateway. A gateway is a device that connects dissimilar networks. Gateway is a device which establishes an intelligent connection between a local area network and external networks with completely different structures. Next device is router. A router is a networking device that forwards data packets from the source machine to the destination machine by using the shortest path. Routers are used at the network layer, which is the third layer of the OSI model. Next device is Wi-Fi card. A Wi-Fi card is either an internal or external local area network adapter with a built-in wireless radio and antenna. Wi-Fi cards are known as wireless fidelity cards as they allow the user to set up connection without any wire. Wi-Fi cards are widely used in notebook computers due to their highly portable nature. I hope all these devices are clear to all of you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.